today we will be unboxing Stinky Pig, and I want to thank you. Patch Products is the one who sent this to me. Thank you for sending this to me, and I appreciate it. I really want to unbox this, and let's do it. Okay, guys. So here we go. Oh, it's so stinky. Hey, Stinky.
Stinky Pig on the front says, he passed him fast, it's a gas. This game is for ages 6 and up, and it's for 2 more players.
Now to read the back. Put a Stinky Pig's belly to hear him sing, then roll the dice to see which way to pass him. Quickly pass him left or right, hurry before he toots. If you're holding Stinky Pig when he passes gas, you must take a token. The player with the fewest tokens wins.
Now we're going to unbox him.
Looks fun.
Look at him. He's really soft. It's like silicone. Then in here we have the coins and the dice. Here's the tokens. And this is the dice. The dice says right, left, and then it's got the pigs.
Hey guys, my name is Stinky Pig. Left. Oh no. Don't turn on me. It's got 2 me. Oh! No, you got it! No!
Right.
No! Look, there's he's broke! I want to.
Right.
I love you, Stinky.
Ew.
No!
That was a juicy one. No, wait, Ben, where's your token? Okay. Look. You gotta pass it fast.
Stinky. Stinky! So stinky. No, it's you.
No, it was
you.
Ben.
It's
It was Ben. Wrong arm, but Blake. Pass it back to Blake. Pass it back to Blake.
No!
That's Ben.
Yes.
What?
What?
Roll it.
Roll the die! No, you Stinky Pig!
It was like, there it is.
I got 3 tokens.
I got 2. Peggy, roll again. Right. That was it.
Boy, Lisa Farney. Okay, I just want to thank Patch Products again for sending this awesome toy. And I give it a 10 out of 10. And I got 3 tokens.
I got 2. Got 5. So I won because I had the last 2. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're also going to be having a giveaway to win one of these bad boys. All you have to do is subscribe to us and leave a comment down below, and we will message you through YouTube, so make sure your messages will be turned on. We're picking the winner in a week, so stay tuned. Anyone can win. Bye guys.